Hello, those. Welcome to our TANFON company. So you, as a professional engineer, what's the task this time come to our factory?
Okay, thank you, Carrie, for the question. My task was primarily to come to China and oversee what does TANFON do in terms of your structure, your factory layout, how you put your system together. I wanted to see the workforce, your skill set, and your staff that you have on ground. Because for us, we require the ongoing maintenance of our system, so that you don't just give us a product, walk away, and we can't maintain after 10 or 5 years. And that is my main task on this particular project.
Okay, thank you. And so this is the tender project for the church use.
Correct.
Yes. We would like to ask, why choose our TANFON?
Originally, I was not involved on the project. Because I'm an engineer by profession. I wrote to the chairman and said, okay, have you done A, B, C, D? Because my company do similar projects in United Kingdom, quite a few. We know the procedures. So they came back and said, no, they have not done it. I said, okay, Joseph, you have to go to China. I said, why me? So in terms of when we chose TANFON was that I think there were tenders, and you came very, very favorable. I didn't see the numbers, the costs. I don't know. I think you're very, very competitive. If you look at the big boys and the small boys, you're in the middle. But at the same time, we don't want cheapness. We want a company that can deliver the product for us. And delivery is important, because we've had experience with company here, they've not delivered. I think that was our worry and our fear.
Yes.
Yeah. Apart from that, what we see on ground, we're very, very happy, very encouraged by your Carrie and Lily, and also seeing the chairman face to face. I shook his hand. I know him now. He knows me. So we're very happy about that. Thank you very much.